I wanted these freaking donuts last week and the card machine was down, so I got mad and left because I didn't want to go get cash. So I'm back today and it's working. I'm about to get a 3-pack of donuts and then I'm on my way to get a checkup, I guess. I'm praying that this does not take forever because I do not want to be in this building with this mask on for about 2 hours. Make sure everything is good with my body. That's what today is looking like so far. I don't know what else I'm gonna end up getting into today. Bro, I do not feel like going in here. I'm gonna be honest. Like, it's so packed. Like, there's only one more empty parking spot, bro. So it is packed in here. I don't like being around people like that, bro. And then having to wear this mask. Oh my gosh. But we got the donuts, a little 3-pack. Alright, so y'all, it's 12:30 right now. How long do y'all think I'm gonna be in here? Comment down below. There's 2 handicaps up here, and then actually just 2 regular parkings. So 2 handicaps and 2 regular parking spots left. So there's hella people in here, but there are nurses and doctors in here as well. So these are probably their cars as well. How long do y'all think I'm gonna be in here? 12:30. If I get back in the house, I'm gonna film another video. Today I'm gonna make my holiday bundle, my holiday lip gloss bundle, and I'm pretty excited. So I think this year I'm gonna do like all shimmer glosses, I think. Well, no, not all, like 2 shimmer glosses and of course a clear gloss. Support the business content. But yeah, so I guess I'll probably come back once I get out of there, because there's not really anything to vlog in there. So I'll see y'all once I get back out, and hopefully I'll remember to tell y'all the time that I get out of there. I really believe it's about to take forever. Excuse the dustiness, but this is the time right now. Just now getting out. I am so tired. All my energy is gone, bro, from just sitting there. It is a few days later. I've been doing a lot, and then at the same time, not a lot. So I made the new bundle. Make sure you can check out that video. I think that's day 7. And then I just finished uploading day 8. I just had to make it public. I did that last night. I got 2 orders fulfilled, packed, shipped, all that. Stock some samples. Literally, go check out the videos. Today I don't have much planned. I'm about to wash all these dishes, and then I'm gonna go outside and make some money. And then I'm trying to decide what I want to do because my grandma just called me and she made some beef. After she said beef, I had asked her what else she made with it, but it went in my ear and out the other. So I don't remember what else she said. I think she said some biscuits. She wanted cornbread, but she didn't have any milk. But I can't remember what else she said. I'm trying to debate if I want to go down there and eat that, because I already have my dinner planned. I want to make some tacos tonight. So, I don't know. She said she's going to save me some either way, so I don't know. This week has been a so-so week, I guess. I'm glad that it's coming to an end. And I get to see my boo this weekend. I'm so happy. I'm about to go ahead and wash my dishes, and then we're gonna be outside for a little bit. Hopefully it's busy outside so we can make a little something. I'm gonna redo my hair tomorrow because it is frizzy, but I honestly like it. Like, when I get older, I do plan on locking my hair up. I don't want to do it now because I do like wearing it, you know, in different type styles, even though I could still do different styles with it. But I do plan on locking my hair up when I get older because I like how it looks. But yeah, let's go ahead and wash these dishes.
Caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside.
Got the sink clean.
Right outside.
Got the dishes right here. All right, so I am outside now. I think I've seen like maybe like 5 orders so far, and they're all garbage. I just saw a $6 order for 2 people. Like what? And then this one is 17.3 miles, $16. No, I'm not doing it. And I just checked the freaking weather and it's about to start raining. Like, hello? I didn't see that earlier. I would have stayed in the house. But I do need to go to the store anyway, so whatever. About to just go home and bet on the damn game. That's what I'm finna do. Go bet on the game. Because it ain't looking too pretty out here. And I'm hungry too. I haven't eaten anything at all today. I gotta stop doing that. Like, I have food at the house. I just didn't eat. Like, how do I expect to gain weight if I'm not eating? I think I'm gonna just get another pack of ground beef because I do want to make some chili. And I think I want to do that this weekend. Maybe like Sunday. Some chili with some cornbread. Oh my gosh. I made chili last year and it was so freaking good. And I also want to do me another pot roast. I made pot roast last year as well and it was so freaking good. So I want to run both of those back. But yeah, I'm gonna stay out for a little while longer, I guess. But these orders are trash. And I know in a few minutes I'm gonna get irritated just sitting here looking at these orders coming in and they're not good. So yeah, I'm gonna end up just going to the store and going home, making my food, and probably betting on a game. I think, let me see, because I gotta see who's playing. Not betting on this game tonight because I think both of those teams suck. When I was checking earlier, checking the stats. Where is the NBA games? They have a game at 7:40, 8:40, and 10:10. So I might bet on one of the basketball games, but I'm not doing that football. Now, Sunday, I'm betting on my team again because I ended up winning $493 on Sunday when I had bet on the Cowboys and whoever else they was playing. I was so freaking hyped. I'll come back and check in with y'all, maybe on the order, or might be at the store, might be at home, who knows, we'll see. So that was an epic fail. I'm about to go into Food Line real quick and pick up what I need. Let's make a little list, even though I should remember everything, but I probably won't. So I need a tomato, lettuce. I'm gonna get another pack of ground beef because I don't think mine is thawed out because I didn't take it out too long ago. And then I'm gonna get some ice cream. Well, this vlog is definitely about to be a chill vlog. Did not do much at all, which I don't ever do much of anything, but like I really didn't do anything in this vlog. But I hope that y'all still enjoyed it. Tomorrow we'll be outside. I think I'm gonna film another video tonight. I don't know. I gotta watch some other videos so I can get like some ideas of how I want to do it. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Go in here real quick and get these 4 things and go home so we can eat because your girl is home. Got tomatoes, got some lettuce, got some more ground beef, and I decided to get a different one. I usually get the strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate, but I decided that I wanted to try this one. This is a lot of chocolate. I definitely don't need this, but it looks good. Ooh, I'm eating this tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna have cookies with it because that's a lot of chocolate. Like, that's chocolate overload. But I'm definitely trying this tonight. This looks so good. It says milk dark and Dutch style chocolate ice creams. Okay. I'm about to get everything ready and I'm gonna make my taco. Just use half of the ground beef because it's only me. And I definitely don't need that much. So this should be enough. I think this should be enough. While this is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my tomato. This is a different knife. Just wanna make that known. Gotta have the fancy plate, y'all know. If I wasn't filming this video, I'd get a regular plate though. I'm not gonna lie, my shell's a little janky because I ain't have no aluminum foil. So yeah, but it's okay. This how we gonna eat them. I have the sauce and my sour cream, and then we'll be ready to demolish this food. I'm so hungry, oh my gosh. I like a good amount of sauce, as y'all can see. All right. And the tacos are done. Oh wait, no, I'm missing the cheese. I almost forgot about the cheese. These are supposed to go over there before the sauce and the sour cream, but oh well. Here are my tacos. I'm gonna demolish these. Oh my gosh, they look so good. Food was so good. I am full. I ate all of that. I just bet on the game. I wasn't gonna do it, but my cousin said that he betting. Right now I'm about to respond to this email. This company reached out to me the other day, so I'm about to see what they're talking about. They're trying to send me something and they want to know my rates. I'm gonna send it over and we're gonna see what happens. This is the goal though. Like I love working with companies and stuff. The first year that I started doing YouTube, companies were reaching out to me. If you go back down my channel, you'll see some videos. I had worked with like a glasses company, a charcoal toothpaste company. I worked with Poshmark before, like legit Poshmark when I was small. I work with some wig companies. I work with a couple people. Let me stop looking at this because I will sit here and stare at this freaking betting thing all night. Actually, I want to pull up the thing. That's honestly one of my goals, is to like keep going with this and just see where it goes, because I want to get out there. Like, I don't know how I'm going to do it, like what type of content I'll have to make in order to get big brands to notice me, but that's where I want to go. Like, I want big brands to see something in me and want to work with me, and then, you know, I end up one day going on trips, like they fly me out or something. I think that'd be so cool. So yeah, this is one of the things that I'm definitely gonna stick with. It goes good, that I guess y'all will see it in an upcoming vlog, because I was about to talk about it a little bit, but I don't think it's any point if it's not like finalized yet. But yeah, so that's all I'm gonna do. I'm waiting for my food to, you know, digest, and then I'll probably get my ice cream in like 2 hours. It's been a chill day. I did go out and try to make some money, but the orders that was coming in, trash. This ice cream is so freaking good. If y'all have never had this, make sure y'all get it. Scroll back a little bit so y'all can see the brand and the name of it. But yeah, this is good. If you like chocolate, this is definitely it for you.